The Coordination Committee of West Khasi Hills Association for 5th Meghalaya Games 2024, along with the athletes and officials, gathered at the Tristram Hall in the DC office on Monday to participate in a farewell program before their departure for the 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 in Tura. Dr. L.L. Mausor, convener from West Khasi Hills, chaired the program, which aimed to bless and motivate the participating athletes. The event saw an enthusiastic turnout of young sportspersons eager to compete in various disciplines. G.L. Sangryang, CDM, briefed the participants on advisories provided by the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, MSOA.
But he lacked but let her. A populate Langne na po ng stoin Banisimberta discipline prepare Lakan tu bu katong la de. Habang ang bu katong la de hoy la pi don kata ka ching tebet la ban yo ka mu kata ka medal gold medal kita kemen de. Kan dai no ko ka bu katong la de. Haka las jingle kai ki bagian le ngale bok ngale se ngale nyop persen bu thong la de hakin ki
Indian shooters secured a gold